Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Rancilio Rocky grinder. Now this grinder was brought here because it was making bad sounds and it was jammed. And what we found, it was one, let me just roll the tape. It was this that was stuck inside the burr, so it was right between these two, and as you can see, pretty much told them, and they're nowhere near as good, so we just end up replacing them, giving the grinder a good clean just for comparison. This is how it came here. You can actually see it. And I like that, so let's test it out. Right now it's in the finest setting. It should be at around 10. It could probably still go around 8 or 7, but the way the Rancilio makes them, it never reaches 0, so this is actually the starting point in a way. So from here you can just move slowly around it, and as you can see, the coffee is pretty fine. It's perfect. It's working perfectly fine. As well as the... Let me see if I can import the filter. There you go. Working perfectly fine. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day.